How to install Avira Antivirus. Step 1. Open the web browser. Step 2. Visit the official Avira website. Step 3. Download the antivirus. Step 4. Once the file is downloaded, open it. Step 5. In the new Avira window, click Agree and Install. Step 6. The installation process will take a few minutes. Step 7. After installing, select the plan you were using previously. Step 8. Once done, go ahead and perform a smart scan. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.